Hey guys, my name is Travis. I hope you guys enjoy your day. Harvest Finance. Why Harvest Finance so trending in all over the internet? Why it gonna listed on Binance soon? Because I already predict about AMP before, and now it's listed on Binance. So we've just bring only those projects those who have very good potential in future. So I love to introduce those type of projects. So Harvest Finance is also one of them. What exactly the cool feature on it? Why I'm so aggressively say that like this gonna happen and this gonna listed on Binance soon. Why? Why Travis? You always so serious about any of those? Let me tell you why I'm so serious. Because I know that the Uniswap, everyone hear that name, right? It's a famous one. So it's totally decentralized and providing a huge kind of liquidity to the unknown token, new token, famous token, every kind of token to provide liquidity. So what exactly the major role played by Harvest Finance? So Harvest Finance is one of the best project who give you opportunity, put a liquidity, and also the less number of gas fee you need to pay for this transaction. This is a very unique feature because we are waiting for the Ethereum 2.0, but they are not launching. And what happened? People frustrated. People migrate to different blockchain. And the main thing is that the Harvest Finance, contain a lot of feature. They are running a 2-3 different chain, not only the Ethereum chain. They're running a BNB chain. They're running a Polygon chain, and that thing make crazy. So we know that no lot of new project came into the, you know, Ethereum blockchain or either in a Binance blockchain, other in a Polygon blockchain. So this is a new one. So no one missed the opportunity to adding a liquid. So before I dive in, just check this one because I'm just getting to the website and what exactly cool feature on it, why I'm so excited about it. So I'm in the harvest.finance website and look at this one, the booster, and look at this one. The first one is Ethereum mainnet. If you love Ethereum, if you love Ethereum project, this is one of the best platform for you guys to adding a liquidity and getting some rewards and harvest these tokens. And this is a very cool feature. It's give it to the customers. And second one is the Binance Smart Chain. I'm not a big fan of Binance, but it's always play shitty games. Though what happened? The Binance Smart Chain, if they adding this feature in their smart contract, something is big happen. So definitely Binance lists this token in their exchange. And the third one is that Matic Polygon. So Matic contain a lot of feature and new project rising day by day, and people are making a millions of dollars in Polygon network. It's a very less amount of cheaper gas fees and transaction fees taken from the customer side. No need to pay extra high amount of gas fees like Ethereum. So this is a very fantastic thing in this project. And whoa, other thing is that you can see Balancer, Uniswap. Also, you can invest in a stable coin and get rewards even in a BTC. A lot of people say, whoa, Travis, what are you talking about? The BTC? How is it possible? A lot of people thinking about it. Let me tell you why I'm thinking about it, why I'm say that this gonna be happen. This gonna be happen just because what happened, WBTC. Ever hear that name before, guys? Let me introduce it again. It's a form of Ethereum blockchain in the BTC version. Ethereum in the BTC version. So that means if you really have a WBTC, that means a similar price, just like a latest price flowing in the market, just like a BTC real price. So what happened? They're providing a real BTC farm. You can earn real BTC. Right, this is amazing. No one give you that thing before. Either companies or did that in the Ethereum platform, but they are not getting the solution for permanent solution for that, right? So before just checking the more detail about it, just look at this one. This is very important again. Look at this one. So the Ethereum 2.0 already has been in a progress period. So you know that what happened when Ethereum 2.0 launch it, something is big happened. That they resolve the gas problem, because we know that gas problem is day by day increasing and frustration is going on. Uniswap liquidity. I already told you, if you have a potential to make money from liquidity, so this is a very good platform, all in one. This is the all-in-one platform, guys. That means you make a huge amount of money using a different technique. Don't go for Binance, don't go for any other centralized exchange. They are playing a shady game. They know your data information, so everything. SushiSwap, we know the FTX owner, they already add this SushiSwap as well. So 1inch, we know that NFT Armstrong, this one is amazing and new feature, because I see NFT boom, I see a DeFi boom. This one is a crazy one, so I really love that link. We know the link, and the other one is normal, guys. So how could you do that, and how you're gonna make some profit from this platform? You can see, look at these numbers and millions of, billions of dollar came into this platform soon. Look at this, look at these number keep rising, not fluctuating, or not even it goes down. People putting a huge quantity of money in this harvest. So this is amazing. The monthly profit to the farmers, that means those who are making a millions of dollars, how much money they earn from these farmers. So these are the farmer earning. If you are become a farmer, join this platform and use different strategies according to your mathematical calculation. If you have that much of skill, you can definitely make a lot of money using these skills, and become a farmer and make a millions of dollars. Also, you can see right now the, oh, look at this one, look at this one. This is a major problem. This is a major problem we see in Ethereum. Now they have resolved it, and that is the reason why this project is listed on Coinbase and now listed in Binance soon. So I'm not a financial advisor, but I just share my personal opinion to you guys, so you can understand what exactly going on. In a gas fee save. So if you're using this platform, so you save your gas fees. It's a live dashboard. You can see how many people's farming, and look at this one. The gas fees is very low as compared to if you're using a MetaMask, if you're using a different platform. So they are not giving you that much of profit, or even they are not giving you this gas problem resolution. So this contract give you every single thing. So you can see farm price almost around $226. So it's rising from almost $80 to $200 when this announcement has been done. So look at this one, BTC price and also the Ethereum price. It's just similar, like real entity and real world, real price entries over here right now. So weekly profit, which is almost around 372k, and the total number of user almost around 29k. So this is amazing, this is amazing. You can see the save gas fees, which is almost around $171 million gas fees saved by these farmers. So that is the reason why it's so famous, and that is the reason why people are getting and putting a lot of funds over here, and making a lot of money. So guys, this is all about harvest.finance. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.